Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're here, please like, share and subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, most definitely welcome. So today I've got 10 South African celebrities who changed their looks. On number 10 we've got Thuli P, who did a BBL, and this is here before and after. If you remember the time that she was acting on Generations, she wasn't that big. On number 9 we've got DJ Zinhle, who bleached her skin because of fame, and this is here before and after. On number 8, we've got Makadzi, who used to be very, very dark. And 2 years ago, she started bleaching. And probably very soon, we're going to see her going to take it for a BBL. Who knows? On number 7, we've got Sayen Buji, who did a BBL twice. And she was botched the last time that she went to Turkey. On number 6, we've got Faith Nketsi, who is one of the ambassadors for BBL. I think she did it way before everyone else in 2019 when she was shooting her reality TV show, Have Faith. On number 5, we've got Londi London, who also did a BBL, and this is here before and after. On number 4, we've got Bonang Mateba. Due to her career as a TV personality, she also decided to bleach her skin, and this is here before and after. You can actually see that she was very dark. On number 3, we've got Wandi Ndlovu, who recently went for a BBL, and after her TV show that she was shooting on Showmax, a reality TV show, This Body Works For Me, she started bleaching, and this is here before and after. On number 2, we've got Kelly Khumalo, who bleached her skin for fame, and she used to be very, very dark. And this is here before and after. On number 1, we've got Khanyi Mbau, who calls herself an ambassador of every plastic surgery in South Africa. And recently she was in Turkey for another surgery, and she also bleached her skin. I think she said she wants to bleach her skin till she is white. I don't know. She is, I think now people are calling her Michael Jackson of South Africa because of her skin bleaching and also her plastic surgeries. This brings us to the end of our video. You can comment in the comment section below other celebrities that you think they changed their looks. I think I've left out a lot, the likes of Ino, Doromogi. I think, yeah, you can comment the ones that I've left behind.